up, what is gay guys, girls, and everybody else? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Hatsuki. It's your boy Phil, and we're back with another Chainsaw Man reaction. We are on season 1, episode 3. It's been a while since I watched Chainsaw Man. So I need to catch up a little bit. I need to refamiliarize myself with the names and whatnot. I do remember the storyline though. I still remember like what's going on. Apparently this guy got possessed, technically speaking, by a demon, right? A demon that he had saved when it was like little and kept and whatnot, and they made a pact, like, you know, whatever. So now he is able to turn into the Chainsaw Man, basically speaking, and hunt other demons. And he just got like recruited to some agency. Yeah, it seems interesting. The characters in it seem interesting. He went out on his, I think, first mission, if I'm not mistaken, with some girl. I forgot what she could do. I think she can materialize stuff from nothing, if I'm not mistaken, right? Because I think she materialized like a hammer, a huge ass hammer, and just went ham on some demon and just splattered it all over. Anyways, yeah, so that's where we are. I'm very interested to see where this story is going to go, because the person who killed him, he killed the person who killed him. So, you know, I don't know what the broader story will be. I'm not sure. I don't have any theories as of now. Anyways, we'll get to see. But yeah, let's just get into it. Oh, by the way, some of the names I probably need to, you know, like I said, refamiliarize myself with them. And I will also be a couple episodes ahead by the time you guys are watching this online. So yeah, if you write down any comments, I'll probably won't see them till maybe 3 episodes ahead, probably. But yeah, anyways, let's just get into this. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. If you do, please leave a like, sub to the channel, and leave a comment down below telling me what your thoughts were on this episode. And yeah, let's go. I think this is where we ended off. This is the demon she splattered because she jumped off the roof and just wham! Yep.
民間が手をつけた悪魔を公安が殺すのは業務妨害。普通だったら逮捕されちゃうよ。パワーちゃんはもうちょっと考えて行動しないといけないね。デンジ君も彼女を制御しないと。
え、俺も？
パワーちゃんは魔人になる前は血の悪魔だったから血を使った戦いが得意なんだけど、すぐ興奮しちゃうし、デビルハンターには向いてなかったのかな。
Yo! Don't blame it, dude! But he didn't tell you do nothing. She really wants this job, man.
静かにできる？
Yeah, she is kind of scary, fam. Cause she's so chill
偉いね、パワーちゃん。
and so calm, fam. That's some scary
どっちの足
shit.
を引っ張ったとかはどうでもいいかな。私は2人の活躍を見たいんだ。私に活躍見せられそう？見せる。わしが仲良くできるのは猫だけじゃん。
Oh, okay, interesting.
人間は嫌いじゃん。人間がわしに何かしたからではない。悪魔の本能みたいなもんで嫌いなんじゃ。そして悪魔も嫌いじゃん。悪魔がわしの飼ってたニャーコを連れ去ったからな。
Aww.
ニャーコを取り戻す前に
R.I.P. fam.
わしはマキマに捕まってしまった。もう殺されてるかもしれんが諦めきれん。わしは悪魔からニャーコを取り戻せるなら人間の味方でも何でもしてやる。猫ごときにとうぬには分からぬ感情じゃろうがな。
猫？くったらねえな。
That's a lot of concern for a cat, but I do understand it.
人間とは分かり合えぬの。
Oh my god, bro.
ああ。でも犬だったらまだわかるかもな。
True. If it was a dog, I would understand that 100%, fam.
胸を揉ませてやるけどどうす
Cats? Not a thing for me.
悪魔がよ、猫をよさらうなんてよ、んなことは許せねえよな。デビルハンターとして許せねえ。そん悪魔俺がぶっ殺してやるぜ。
ニャークをさらった悪魔の場所は分かってるんじゃ。問題はウヌしか戦えんことじゃ。わしの姿を見られたらニャークを盾にされちゃうからね。そうなったら罪じゃ。
My G, bro.
俺もポチタっつう悪魔飼っててさ、もう撫でることはできねえんだけど、いいんだ。俺のここで生きてるからな。絶対仲良くなれねえなこいつ。
You probably are.
米国の件でソ連はタカ派の声が大きくなっている。悪魔を軍事利用しているという噂も聞く。願わくば日本の敵は悪魔だけでありたいものだがな。君の仕事は犬を育て使うことだ。
Wow. The disrespect, fam. Raise these hounds, fam. These people are not even people no more, bro. They're not even individuals, bro. They're just tools to be used. That's
レン
absurd.
ジは不快なだけ
That
で面
sucks.
白くないですよ。どうしてそんなに期待をするんですか？
You just hating cause you think he's gonna get her when you want her to, bro.
すべての悪魔は名前を持って生まれてくる。そ
Is
の
it?
名前が恐れられているものほど悪魔自身の力も増すという。コー
Okay.
ヒーは怖いイメージは全くないから、コーヒーの悪魔がいたら弱いだろうね。でも車の悪魔がいたらどうだろう。タイヤにひかれて死ぬイメージがあるから強いかも。デンジ君はチェンソーの悪魔になれる。面白いと思うけどな。
面白いだけで使えないやつですよ。公安は目標や信念がある者だけしかいない。でもあいつはダラダラと生きたいだけだと言っていました。
Yeah, man, she wants some titties, fam. That's a legit goal, fam.
それに
That's a legit
悪魔と
goal.
仲良くなれると思ってる。
そこの家じゃ。あそこにニャーコと悪魔がいる。
はあ。
I don't know if I should believe her.
あ、どうした？
てめえが姿を見せたら猫を人質にされんだろ。こんな近くまでついてきちゃダメでしょ。
おお、そういう設定じゃったが。
設定？
言い間違いじゃ。
I do not trust her. I do not trust her right now, fam. Mofo!
バカじゃが勘は良かったな。
Why? The fuck is she doing?
随分と私を待たせたな、地の悪魔よ。逃げたのかと思ったぞ。
文句を言うな。
Maybe.
わしもやっと外に出られたんじゃ。望み通り人間を連れてきたぞ。
Yeah, now she wants her cat back. Maybe this is a plan.
久しぶりの勝
Oh
負。
shit, it's an actual
若
bat.
い男か、精力の出る血を飲めそうだな。
Shit, that thing is huge, man.
この腕の傷を見ろ、人間。貴様らにつけられた傷。この私を隠れざるを得なくさせた忌々しい傷だ。
知るかバーカ。
食事が吠えるな。人間に刻まれた傷、人間の血で癒させてもらう。
But he's technically speaking no longer human. Oh.
まずい。
Yeah.
まずい血で復活してしまったではないか。
Oh, it actually worked though.
口の中が気持ち悪い。タバコの匂い、化粧と薬の匂い。
それマジ？やば。
悪くない匂いだな。口直しは子供に決めたぞ。
Fuck.
約束通り人間を連れてきたんじゃ。
Where's my
返
cat?
してもらう。
Yeah, okay.
ああ、そういう話だったか。
ニャコ。
私にまずい血を持ってきた罰がまだだったな。
ニャコ。ニャーコ。うぬの名はニャーコじゃ。猫にしてはうまそうな匂いじゃな。
Oh.
ひょろいなりじゃの。
So she became attached to it, I guess, you know.
早く
Started off wanting to eat it, then you know, grew attached to
楽
it.
しみじゃな。
Yo, you slaughtered the cow, bro? Like you could just got the milk.
目があったやつはすべて殺してたからな。悲鳴じゃない声を聞くのは不思議な感じじゃな。不思議な。
血の悪魔よ。血が足りない。猫を殺されたくなければ人間を連れてこい。
Yo, rip its stomach open, fam. Mel might still be alive. Act fast, motherfucker.
ポチタをもう撫でれんと言っとったな。うぬの気持ちが分かったぞ。ひどい気分じゃな。
Yo, she's gonna rip you open from the inside, bruh.
まずい血ばかりだ。
She's gonna rip you the fuck open, mate. You couldn't even chew,
気
bro?
持ち悪いぞ。子供の血でうがいをしなければ。うがいをした後は前妻に生娘だな。
I was actually thinking he was gonna go for the virgin instead of the
デ
kids.
ザートは妊婦がい
I
い。
thought like maybe he would go for like a country girl or something. Because he was complaining about the smell of cigarettes and makeup and
貴
shit.
様の血など飲む気も起こらんわ。
ポチタがいなくなった時があった。朝起きたらポチタはいなくて、街中を探しても見つからない。悪魔に食われちまったって思ったけど、家に帰るとポチタは泣きながら俺を待っていた。ほっとしてそのまま一緒に寝たのを覚えてる。あいつはニャーコを悪魔に奪われて、どんな気持ちで眠ってたんだろう。
That really is. I get it. Yeah, that shit must be painful, bro. Yeah, you lost another arm. No shit. No shit. Bro, it's gonna land right there, bro. Right there, bro. Yo, you're so lucky you just got out of that room. I'm gonna split you open, then cop me a feel? The fuck? animation is fire, bro. I forgot how good this shit was. Run, motherfucker! No shit! Yeah.
チャンスを引っ込めれたな。
体にそぐわぬ怪力、その力でなぜ人間を助ける。
誰が助けたって。
None of your fucking business, bro. Just know I'm gonna split you open.
命なんざ死ぬか。
What? Oh shit, bro, you. What the fuck? Ooh, that is nice. That is nice. I like what they did there.
残な名ばっかあってよ。我慢しか
Yo,
し
his hand is fucked.
まだ人もみもしてねえんだよ。
His got his priority straight. I'll give him that. I'll give him that. Yeah, don't be afraid, bro. Mofo. Done, mother. Done. Fuck yes. I like the amount of gore that's in this. I truly love it. Let's go, fam. This is what I wanna see. Fuck yes. Oh man, done too soon. Damn, that flew by. That flew by, fam. Yeah, fam, that was great. Enjoyed it. Enjoyed it very, very much. I understand why Power did what she did, you know, understandable, especially for a being that has been basically speaking alone, you know, for I guess ever since it was born, maybe? Because say, before she became a fiend, she was a blood demon, right? I'm guessing the time when she met I don't know what they mean by a blood demon. Do they mean the bat? Because the first, when we saw like the flashback when she first met Meow, she had just killed like a bat, right? I mean, I guess those bat demon thingies could be considered blood demons, you know, sucking blood and whatnot. I guess maybe, I don't know. I might be completely wrong about that, but I guess maybe that might be the time when she like became a fiend. I'm not sure if they told us like how she became a fiend last time. I have to go back and check that. I might be completely forgetting something, but yeah. So yeah, since she's basically been alone, right? And the only companion she's had is Meow. So yeah, I can understand why she would go to such lengths, betray this person this other fiend that she just met, you know, and doesn't really care much about, you know, just in order to get her cat back. You know, it's understandable. It's messed up, you know, but it's understandable. You can see where she's coming from. I'm betting that I'm hoping Meow is still alive. I bet that she is still alive. power. I bet she's still alive for sure. But I'm hoping that this actually builds like a bond between Power and Denji, right? I really hope that this kind of builds up their friendship and whatnot. And I'm hoping that Meow is alive. Meow better be alive, But it is what it is. I just realized something. Not realized something, but I am sticking to a theory that I think I said like the episode before or the first episode. That Makima has some sort of mind control powers. I feel like they're hinting at it quite a bit. Because now I just realized like the color and the color patterns in her eyes are basically the same as the color patterns they used for the snail that is being controlled by, is it like some worm or something like that? That thing, yeah? That basically hypnotizes birds to come and eat it and whatnot, or attracts birds to come and eat it and whatnot. I think she truly does have some sort of mind control powers. Or she can influence people to do what she wants, or to listen to her, or something, fam. Something. I think so. I truly think so. But yeah, we'll get to see. The way that the powers that be treating these beings is kind of messed up. They're like your job is to train these hounds or raise them and whatnot and use them, basically speaking, meaning that these beings are basically nothing but tools, which is kind of messed up, but I think they know that as well. So it is what it is. It's just a trade-off, but yeah, it's still kind of messed up though. Fight scene amazing, obviously. Animation great as always. Absolutely loved it. But yeah, I can't wait to see where the next episode goes. Yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. If you did, please leave the likes up to the channel and leave a comment down below telling me what your thoughts were on this episode. And yeah, later.